In 2024, a team of researchers embarked on a thrilling journey deep into the Amazon rainforest, aiming to document its astonishing biodiversity. The expedition spotlighted previously uncharted areas where they discovered rare species of flora and fauna, including vibrant orchids and elusive jaguars. Each day was filled with adventure, like crossing rickety rope bridges and canoeing through winding waterways. The team also engaged with indigenous communities, learning about their traditions and sustainable practices, emphasizing the importance of preserving this unique ecosystem. As they navigated the jungle, they faced challenges, but each moment deepened their connection to the environment, driving home the vital message of conservation for future generations.